Namaste and hello everyone. Welcome back to part 3 of lesson 2. In this part, we will learn how to read and write 5th and 6th line consonant. So, without any delay, let's move ahead to learn 5th line in the first part of our lesson. This line is pronounced by joining lips. Therefore, you have to join 2 lips to produce the sound. The first consonant of 5th line is pa, pa.
Pa.
Now let's learn how to write pa. Let's write one more time. This is how we write pa. This consonant is pronounced as fa. Fa.
Fa.
Now let's learn how to write fa. This consonant is once again very easy to write because this consonant follows the step of writing pa with a tail on it. Let's see one more time. Fa. Moving on to the next, this consonant is ba. Ba.
Ba.
Now let's learn how to write ba. Let's see one more time. Moving on to the next, it is ba. Ba.
Ba.
Now let's learn how to write ba. Now let's see one more time. This is how we write ba. The last consonant of 5th line is ma. Ma.
Ma.
Now let's learn how to write ma. It's very easier once again because the pattern is same like writing ba. Now let's write one more time. This is how we write ma. Now once again, let's summarize everyone. Please follow after me. Pa.
Pa.
Fa.
Fa.
Ba.
ba,
bha,
ba,
ma.
ma.
Moving on to the next. Now we are in the 6th line. Please have patience, everyone. Now we are almost at the end of the consonant. The first consonant of 6th line is ya. Ya.
Ya,
Now let's learn how to write ya. This is how we write ya. Now next one is ra. Ra.
ra,
Now let's see how to write this. Ra shown here is the computer font. You can simply write in this way. Let's see one more time. It's very easy, right? Let's move to next one. La. La.
la,
Now let's learn how to write la. Let's see one more time. La. Moving on to the next. It is wa. Wa.
wa,
Let's see how to write wa. This is how we write wa. Now moving on to the next. It is sha. Sha.
sa,
Let's see how to write sha. Let's see one more time. This is the last consonant of 6th line. Now let's quickly summarize it. Please follow after me. Ya,
ya,
ra,
ra,
la,
la,
wa,
wa,
sha.
sha.
Now let's have a quick abhyas. Please try to read the pointed consonant. Yes, it's pa. Try this one. Fa. How about this? Yes, it's ba. Try this one, everyone. Pa. How about this? It's ma. Try this one as well. या, ra, la, wa, and this one, sha. Now here's a small reading tips. For the consonant wa, normally, so this rule does not hold true for every cases. Normally, whenever wa is at the beginning, we read this as ba. Ba, yes, like ba. But when it is at the middle or at the end of a word, it is read as wa. So let me say once again, this is for normally. So there are again some exceptional cases in Nepali language that I will be teaching you in the upcoming lesson. Thank you everyone. Dhanyavad.